From the comfort of his own living room in Essex, computer engineer George Darkins has earned a place in the pro division of a global racing tournament. This racing competition is held virtually, an online contest developed by Amazon called Deepracer. The tournament was produced by Amazon Web Service, or AWS, which owns the largest portion of the internet's cloud infrastructure with 33% market shares. Amazon runs some of the biggest websites in the world, including Facebook, Netflix, LinkedIn, and the BBC website. But with the launch of the Deepracer competition, Amazon are branching out into the world of machine learning, a part of artificial intelligence which, in basic terms, is teaching computers to think like humans do through code. I spoke to George, a graduate from Essex University, to find out more about the tournament.
AWS themselves set up Deepracer using 3 of their other services, one just being a simple storage method, one of them being what's called SageMaker, which is their machine logic compute power in the cloud, and the other one is RoboMaker, which is their way to simulate robots in the cloud as well. And they link them all up in such a way that they give you the base of Deepracer, the vehicle on the track, and you just have to work through making the logic of the vehicle, its brain. It's kind of an amalgamation of a couple of other services in order for you to get an experience with some new emerging technology, machine learning, essentially to introduce people into those concepts and how you might deploy solutions. So machine learning is a really broad topic, and it can touch so many different areas. Things like speech recognition, search engines, medical diagnoses. It was used in COVID-19 for diagnosing that in a lot of circumstances, telecommunications, weather reporting. After my first day of playing around with the service, I had 2 or 3 models up on the cloud. They were performing quite well, so at the end of the day I decided I would take my top model, tweak a little bit, and push it to do some training and evaluation. So I left that overnight and it did all its training, and when I came back to it in the morning I saw that it completed, got some really great times, and I saw that it had actually submitted me into that month's competition. And I had seen it was quite late in the month, I'd already made it within striking distance of 100th place. So yeah, I was really happy with the performance on what was a day's worth of playing around on that system for the first time. It was very fun.
Machine learning, though a relatively new technology with evidently quite a bit of trial and error, it has potential in a variety of fields, including agriculture, medicine and science, crime investigation and more. I also spoke with Ben Self-Aspara Holland, a student at Liverpool Hope University who has a particular interest in computers and artificial intelligence.
Well, machine learning is a really great opportunity to further develop technology and the benefits of artificial intelligence. Putting it into the form of a competition is a really fantastic way for developers to learn from each other and help make technological progress in a fun, engaging way. And I think it'll really inspire people to get creative with computers. Machine learning has so much potential in so many industries, so it's really exciting to see the Deepracer competition encouraging people from all over the world to get involved.
So, for computer developers across the globe, and perhaps even for some of those a little wary of computers able to think, this competition could be a fun, accessible way to develop new and advanced technologies with great potential. Lily Morris, NEE News.